Finally, we take a look at the Convolution engine that sets the stage for your wind effect. These are all custom-recorded true stereo impulse responses, providing a breathtaking sound quality. We start this demo with the indoor big room impulse response. The dry-wet parameter can be modulated, and the inertia parameter defines the smoothness of the wind modulation. Let us listen to some outdoor responses. To bring everything to a whole new level, we included custom true stereo impulse responses featuring musical instruments like gongs, sound bowls, or cymbals. Let us listen to a few examples with the Convolution engine. These are great if you want to create real atmospheric sounds. We also have an extra section called Sound Effects, which features sounds from our whole Tonsturm archive. These are great for a more experimental approach. This is our final tutorial about the features of WINDMACHINE. We hope you enjoyed it, and we wish you plenty of fun while crafting your own wind sound effects.